Hi, I'm going to show you how to download Google File Stream. Google File Stream is what we'll be using to replace Z drives in our district. So the first step will be to open the document that I sent you that talked about the installation. Click on the download for Windows and just click on the link and save. Now it's going to download the file and you'll see it in your lower left-hand corner. When it's ready, you can go ahead and click on it to get it started. And it takes just a little bit. Just a note that you will need to be the administrator on your machine in order to do this. If for some reason you are not, or you run into problems, just put in a help desk ticket and James and I will help you through it. Okay, this is ready to open. I'm going to click on it. And it'll take just a little bit for it to open. You're going to come up with a do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device window. You're going to say yes there. Now I'll let it start running. And again, it takes just a little bit. Google File Stream is very easy to use, and all of your Z Drive documents and folders can be moved there very easily. And you will be able to access everything from any machine and anywhere. So let's go ahead and hit install here. Before we do, you have a couple choices. You can add an application shortcut to your desktop. I do that usually. This is add a desktop shortcut to Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. I don't usually do that, so I uncheck it and hit install. Okay, it's been successfully installed, and you hit close. I will be doing another video about how to access FileStream, what it looks like, and how to move your folders over. So in the meantime, if you have problems, make sure and put a help desk ticket and we'll get you set up. Thank you.